Hi, let's take a walk. So let's go inside the Dowlat Abad Pavilion build. It's nothing special in it, just so that you would see it. The architecture is beautiful, but nothing special. So many doors. And the glass work, colored glass, makes the inside very beautiful. There was a upstairs too, but it was out of access. Pink shoes, that's cool. Beautiful architecture. So these pools are supposed to be filled with water, so that the place gets cooler. The wind tower works as a air conditioner, kind of. That's the room with the wind tower above it, and that's the view. If I can get a wide view, there you go. You can also almost see. So the wind comes, hits the water, and spreads through the rooms. A beautiful place for photography. There it is. And that's the upstairs. And that's about it. Thanks for the support.